There was a very big difference when I went to a big university. There's really no one-on-one time, no get to know your instructor, anything like that. You come here, you can, you know all of your instructors like the back of your hand. I mean, they're all friends to you. My name is Joe Cominsky, and I am a graduate of the Pittsburgh Institute of Aeronautics. Well, I heard about PIA from one of your representatives coming into my high school and giving a presentation on it, and it really appealed to me. My first impression was that I was very surprised about the amount of equipment that's here at the campus for learning purposes. They have multiple planes, all the engines in the shop over there. Just really everything that you learn here, there's a hands-on experience for it. My favorite project would have to been the Lycoming disassembly and reassembly, and then running it up on the engine stand. It's really neat to see something that you've worked on from start to finish actually run and work. The most valuable lesson I've learned is attention to detail. Everything on a plane has to be very detail-oriented, very neat and precise, and the school definitely helped me with learning that type of stuff. I feel very prepared, especially coming to school here. I've learned almost everything you can know about a plane, so it'll definitely be different in the field, but I feel like I have a well-rounded base to get started on. My advice would be to have a strong work ethic, and if you have attention to detail, this would be the perfect job for you. Well, I'm proud to be a PIA alumni because I have the reputation of a great school behind me going into the workforce.